Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit distance in Strava. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Strava, I need you to click the following options, and from there, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Strava, editing the distance of an activity is a feature that can be useful for correcting errors or adjusting for issues like GPS inaccuracies, or simply if the GPS devices can lose signal in areas with poor reception, such as tunnels or dense forests, leading to inaccurate distance measurements, or a malfunctioning GPS device might record incorrect distance. Basically, the editing distance in Strava is a handy tool for you. Now, once you are logged in, I need you to hover to where you can find the... Now, here's going to be your activity history here in Strava. And if you wanted to edit the distance, just click on the first activity that you have recorded, like this one, all right? And there should be an option to edit the distance in the upper right corner. All right, so for example, the unit of measurement, which is kilometers. If you wanted to edit that, click on this option right here. All right, and change that as well. Now, the thing is, editing the distance on Strava helps ensure that your recorded activities reflect accurate data, which is very important for tracking performance, in analyzing training, and maintaining reliable fitness records. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.